Hello and welcome to FM Review. I'm your host, Freddie Robinson, and today we have a very special cable in the audience. That's right, it's the Vizio 6-foot UHD HDMI cable coming at you in this FM Review. Here is a close-up of the box for the Vizio 6-foot high-speed HDMI cable. This supports ultra high definition, which is the 4K, and it does content up to 60 frames per second. And also it does HD audio and video, 1080p. I did get this at Walmart for $7, which is a great price. I recently got a Samsung soundbar that had HDMI pass-through, and I needed some HDMI cable, so I went ahead and got these because of the price. And it gives you some suggested uses for this: HD TVs, game consoles, Blu-ray players, and stream players, as well as cable and satellite boxes. And then here you have a little bit of information about this. The latest technology is included in these cables: Ultra HD, which is the 4K resolution. It's 3D ready. It has deep color, real inky blacks. Then you have the XV color, which I think is something that Sony is involved with. And here it tells you the suggested cable length by television size. And then you have it broke down with it being in a TV stand or wall mounted. Here you go. Great. You see that the Vizio branding logo is in the end. See that it's a fairly sturdy, solid build, nothing loose or cheap feeling, even though it was $7. After you get it all untangled and out of the twist tie, you can see that you can make some awesome triangular shapes with the memory of the bend in this cable. I don't know if that'll improve or decrease the video quality, but it's awesome looking at these shapes. Ooh. Let's make this shape even better. Now it's perfect. Where does this plug in at? I was going to use an HDMI straw, but it's not plugging in anywhere. Ultra 4K taste of Diet Coke. I just can't. I don't know. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to keep more awesome FM reviews coming your way.
3, 2, 1, action!
That's right, it's the Vizio 6-foot UHD HDMI cable. Why can't I say that? That's right, it's the Vizio UHD. Come on, you know this stuff.